Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Google Pixel tablet. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Google Pixel tablet for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. The Google Pixel tablet is a versatile device designed to seamlessly blend productivity, entertainment, and smart home functionality. With its elegant 10.95-inch LCD display, the tablet offers vibrant visuals and an immersive experience whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or video calling. Powered by Google's in-house Tensor G2 chip, it ensures smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and creative tasks. One standout feature is its integration with Google's ecosystem. The Pixel tablet functions as a smart home hub when docked, allowing you to control devices, view Nest camera feeds, and use Google Assistant hands-free. The bundled charging dock also doubles as a powerful speaker, enhancing audio quality for music and calls. Running on Android, the Pixel tablet guarantees regular updates and exclusive features like Magic Eraser and Live Translate. Its stylus support and productivity-focused features make it a strong choice for professionals and students alike. With up to 12 hours of battery life and a sleek, lightweight design, it's perfect for on-the-go use. Priced competitively, the Pixel tablet is an excellent alternative to pricier competitors like the iPad. It's ideal for users who value versatility, smart home integration, and a cohesive Google experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user, the Google Pixel tablet is a worthy investment for 2024. Thanks for watching the video.